Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 1 maths. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 9 maths. So basically we're working on the chapter from grade 9, got it? The chapter is grade 9 maths and the chapter name is linear functions, got it? So click on the grade 9 maths, find the chapter that is linear functions, and here is the list of the lessons we are going to do today. They are: find the slope of a graph, find a missing coordinate using slope, find the slope from 2 points, and slope intercept form, find the slope and y-intercept. Got it? Let's just start with the first lesson, that is find the slope of a graph. Find the slope of a graph. Okay, here I am on grade 9 maths. The chapter name is linear functions, and here is the lesson find the slope of a graph. Let's start with the lesson. Okay, you are given with a graph, you have to find the slope actually. Got it? So whenever you are given with a graph, you can find any 2 points on the graph and you can find the slope using the 2 points. Got it? So the 2 points are, use any 2 points. This is the first point I'm going to use, and this is the second one we are going to use. These are the 2 points we're going to use. Got it? So the vertices for these 2 points are this one and this one you can use. Got it? Okay, so the vertices for this one, the coordinates for this one is 70 and 50, and for this one they are 80 and 90. Got it? So slope is m equals change in y. You can write it as y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Got it? This is x1 y1. This is x2 y2. Got it? So just do y2 minus y1, 90 minus 50 divided by 80 minus 70. Got it? 90 minus 50 is 40, and 80 minus 70 is 10. So that means the slope of the 2 points is, the slope of the graph equals 4. Got it? Use any 2 points on the graph and find the slope using the formula m equals change in y divided by change in x. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, so here is the graph. You can use any 2 points on the graph and find the slope. Got it? So I'm going to use the points this one and this one, and we're going to find the slope. Just write the coordinates. For this one, the coordinates are 10 and 60, and for this one they are 20 and 90. Got it? So they are x1 and y1, x2 and y2. So you have to find the slope. So slope is m equals change in y divided by change in x, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Got it? So y2 minus y1 is y2 minus y1, 90 minus 60 divided by 20 minus 10. Got it? 90 minus 60 is 30, and 20 minus 10 is 10. So it would be 30 over 10. So the slope of the graph is 3. Got it? So the slope for this graph is 3. Got it, everyone? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? The correct option is 3. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, look at this graph. So find any 2 points on the graph and find the slope. Got it? So this is the point I am using and this is the point. Got it? So the first one is 50 and 10. The coordinates are 50 and 10, and the coordinates for this one are 70 and 50. Got it? So this uh, formula is m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Got it? So it is then 50 minus 10 and 70 minus 50. Got it? So 50 minus 10 is 40 and 70 minus 50 is 20. So it is 2. 40 over 20 over 40. 40 over 20 is 2. Got it? So that means slope of this graph is 2. So the correct option is 2. Just select the correct option, then 2 is the slope. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay. So look at this graph. What is the slope? So you can find any 2 points on the graph, use them and find the slope. They are this one, and so it has the coordinates. They are 60 and 10. It has 70 and 50. M equals y2 minus y1, x2 minus x. 50 minus 10, 70 minus 60. 50 minus 10 is 40 over 10. It is 4. So the graph slope for the graph is 4. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. If you need more help with the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? The next lesson is find a missing coordinate using slope. Find a missing coordinate using slope. Okay, here is the next lesson. Find a missing coordinate using slope. So let's start with the example. The point 6t and 4 negative 9 fall on a line with a slope of 2. What is the value of t? Got it? So the point is 6 and t, and the second one is 4 9. You have the slope 2. You can use the formula for the slope, that is slope equals change in y divided by change in x. Just put up all the values and then solve the equation for t. Got it? Let's start with the practice question. Okay, you are given two of the points, negative 2 3 and negative 3s. Also the slope. Got it? The formula we are going to use is m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Just put up all the values. This is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, this is slope. Got it? Slope is 10 y2 minus y1. y2 is s minus 3, x2 is negative 3, negative, negative 2. Got it? So just solve. 10 equals s minus 3. So it is negative 3 plus 2. Got it? Negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. So it would be then 10 equals s minus 3 over negative 1. Got it? Just solve this equation for s. It would be 10 times negative 1 is negative 10 equals s minus 3. So s equals negative 10 plus 3. And negative 10 plus 3 is negative 7. So that means the point s equals negative 7. Got it? So the correct option is negative 7. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, a line has a slope of negative 5 and includes the point negative 1t and negative 2, negative 3. What is the value of t? So use the formula, that is m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Just put up all the values. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Got it? So y2 minus y1. M is negative 5. Y2 is negative 3 minus t divided by negative 2, negative, negative 1. Got it? So just solve. It is minus 5 equals negative 3, negative t. And you have negative 2 plus 1. Got it? Negative 2 plus 1 equals negative 1. Just do cross multiplication. It would be negative 5 times negative 1 is 5 equals negative 3 minus t. Move negative 3 to the other side. It would be negative 5 plus 3. That equals minus t. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 equals negative t. And t equals negative 8. So the value of the t is negative 8. Got it? So that means the correct option is t equals negative 8. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. That would be negative 8. Got it? Okay, the point 60, 4, negative 9 fall on a line with a slope of 2. What is the value of t? So you are given two of the points. You have to put them on in the formula, that is m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Just put up all the values. Slope is 2. It would be 2 equals y2 minus 1, 9 negative t divided by 4 minus 6. So it is 2 equals negative 9 negative t, and 4 minus 6 is minus 2. Got it? Just do cross multiplication. It would be 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 minus 9 minus t. Got it? Move the negative 9 to the other side. It would be negative 9 plus 4 equals negative t. So 9 minus 4 is 5 equals negative t, and t equals negative 5. Got it? So t equals negative 5. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. The points negative 8k and negative 10, 3 fall on a line with a slope of 3. What is the value of the k? So you have to use the same formula and find the value of k. So it would be 3 minus k and negative 10 plus 8, negative 2. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. It is 9. The slope for this point is 9. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is find the slope from 2 points. You are given two of the points. You don't have to find them on the graph. You are given with the 2 points. You have to find the slope of the graph, slope from the 2 points. Got it? Let's start with the test questions. Okay, find the slope of the line that passes through the point 1, 4 and 9, 9. So just use these points 1, 4, 9, 9 and use the formula that is m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So it is x1, y1, x2 and y2. Got it? So y2 minus y1 is 9 minus 4 and x2 minus x1 is 9 minus 1. 9 minus 4 is 5 and 9 minus 1 is 8. It would be 5 over 8. Got it? So the slope of the line that passes through the points is 5 over 8. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is find the slope of the line that passes through 7, 9, 1, 14. The points are 7 and 9, 1 and 14. Use a formula that is change in y divided by change in x. Got it? This is x1, y1, x2, y2. Got it? You have to do y2 minus y1, 4 minus 9, and 1 minus 7. 4 negative 9 is negative 5, and 1 negative 7 is negative 6. So it would be 5 over 6. Got it? So the correct option is 5 over 6. The first option is the correct one. Select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Negative 5 by 6. Oh, it is 1 and 14. 14 minus 9 is minus plus 5. Got it? So 5 over negative 6 is negative 5 by 6. Yes, it is negative 5 over 6. Got it? So got it. Okay, the next one is find the slope of the line that passes through 6, 12 and 8, 9. So use the formula that is m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is x1, y1. This is x2, y2. y2 minus y1 is 9 minus 12 and 8 minus 6. 9 minus 12 is negative 3 and 8 minus 6 is 2. So the slope is negative 3 over 2. Got it? So the slope of the line is negative 3 over 2. Got it? Okay, find the slope of the line that passes through the point. So 10, 5, 2, 12. So you have the points 10 and 5, 2 and 12. Okay, you have to find the slope, that is m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Got it? So just do y minus y1, 12, subtract 10, and x2 minus x1, 2, subtract 5. So y2 12 minus 10 is 2, and 2 minus 5 is negative 3. So the slope is negative 2 over 3. Got it? So the slope is negative 10, 5 to 12. 12 minus, oh, 12 minus 5 by 1 is 5. Just look at this one. Y2 minus y1, 12 minus 5 and 2 minus 10. 12 minus 5 is 12 minus 5 is 7, and 2 minus 5 is 2 minus 10 is negative 8. So it would be negative 7 over 8. Got it? The correct option is negative 7 over 8. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Find the slope of the line that passes through the point 1, 2. So, and 10, 9. You have to find the slope of the line that passes through the point 1, 2, and 10, 9. So 1, 2, 10, and 9. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So slope equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Got it? So y2 is 9 minus 2 and 10 minus 1. 9 minus 2 is 7 and 10 minus 1 is 9. So it would be 7 over 9. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next topic. And the next topic is slope intercept form. Find the slope and y-intercept. Slope intercept form. Find the slope and y-intercept. Okay. Slope intercept form. Find the slope and y-intercept. Okay. The slope intercept form of the equation is y equals mx plus b. This is the equation in the slope intercept form. Got it? Okay, let me just read the question. The question is find the y-intercept and the of the following equation. Similar, simplify your answer. The equation is y equals 5x plus 3. Y equals 5x plus 3. So if you simply compare both the equations, they looks like same. Got it? Y equals 5x plus 3. This is m equal 5 and b equal 3. M is 5, that is the slope, and b is 3. M is the slope here, and b is the y-intercept. Got it? So when you compare both the equations, the slope is 5 for this equation and the slope intercept is 3. But the y-intercept is 3. Got it? So for the question, you have to find the slope only. So slope is 5, -5. Here you have a negative sign as well. Got it? So it would be -5. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Oh, you have to find the y-intercept of the equation, not the slope. Got it? So the y-intercept of the equation is 3. Just select the correct option and click on the OK. Find the y-intercept of the following equation. Y equals -10x, -3. Just compare the equation with the slope intercept form of the equation, which is y equals mx plus b. So m is -10 and b equals -3. Got it? And b is the y-intercept. Got it? So the y-intercept of the equation is -3. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is y equals 3 by 4x plus 9 by 4. Y equal 3 by 4x plus 9 over 4. Got it? You have to compare this equation with the slope intercept form of the equation, which is y equals mx plus b. Is 3 by 4, which is the slope, and b equals 9 by 4, which is the y-intercept of the equation. Got it? So what we have to find for this one, we have to find the slope of the line. Got it? So slope of the line is 3 over 4. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, find the y-intercept of the following equation. Simplify your answer. So what is the y-intercept of the equation? M equals 10 and b equals 5 over 9. Got it? So b is actually the y-intercept. Got it? So it would be 5 over 9. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, find the slope of the equation y equals -9 over x. So what is the slope of this equation? In this case, the b is 0. Got it? You don't have b here. That means the y-intercept of the equation is 0. So the slope is -9 by 7. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Find the slope of the line y equals -8 by 7x plus -1. So what is the slope of the equation? The slope is -8 over 7. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Find the y-intercept of the following equation. Simplify your answer. So it is y equals -4x plus 2 over 9. So the y-intercept is, yes, it is 2 over 9. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Got it? Find the slope of the line y equals 5 by 7x. So slope is 5 over 7. Got it? So select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Find the slope of the line y equals 1 by 4x minus 5 over 4. So the slope is, yes, it is 1 over 4. Got it? Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. So here is the list of the lessons we have covered today. We're working on grade 9 maths. The chapter is linear functions, and the topic we covered are find the slope of a graph, find the missing coordinate using slope, find a slope from 2 points, slope intercept form, find the slope and y-intercept. Got it? So if you need more help with any of the topic, you can write a question in the chat box. I'll answer all your questions if you have any. So from tomorrow onwards, we're going to start with the interactive session from 9 to 9:45. So if you have any question, any problem, you can write the questions in the chat box and communicate with me. Got it? I will answer all your questions if you have any. Got it? So that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.